I'm so glad to be back in front of this camera. David, welcome back. David had a beautiful baby boy, which you are going to see pictures of right now. Show me your baby, David. That's his beautiful baby boy. What do you think? Beautiful. Good luck, David. That's why we haven't done videos for the last month up here in the video room. But what a great reasoning, right? David's back, and here we are. In fact, I was going to do this very video I'm doing for you right now. It was going to be done last night, but then we had some trouble. There was some car troubles. We couldn't get together. So last night's video is being done for you today. That is February 5th, and it's good for February 5th and 6th from 2026. Traders, before we get started, you know how risky things can be, right? Look at the markets today. Put your stops in. Put them in first. Never trade without protective stops. These markets are extremely volatile. You need to make sure your account doesn't go zero, right? Make sure you put your stops in first so that you don't have to do this. Honey, can you write me another check for the clearing firm? You know what I'm saying? You don't want to have to make that call. Put your stops in first. Traders, what is going on for trading February 5th through 6th in the markets? There's a lot of stuff happening, so let's talk about that now. On the board, there is a total tug of war between U.S. indices. You've watched it for an entire week. We've had 2 up, 2 down. Dow and Tranny have been straight up. ES, NASDAQ straight down. That tug of war will end up like this. Everything will come down. Why? Because we are in the middle of an adjustment, which you've heard about from me many times. Literally since the high was put in the S&P, the day of the high, you heard that we were going to make an adjustment from this day forward. Why? Because Powell turned off the spigots, and that is what happens. We get this adjustment every single time. Now, you can go out and read the papers and listen to the news and go to the internet. They're going to give you 1,000 reasons why. It's the same reason, the same thing in crypto, the same thing in our markets. We are adjusting because Powell stopped lowering rates. That's what's happening. We are not crashing. That is not what's happening right now. We are adjusting. You'll see some charts to prove that out to you. I'm going to tell you right now, do not fall in love with the downside. You're going to date it one day at a time, give it a kiss and send it home. Don't let it move in. Do not fall in love with the downside. How long could it last when you have something like the transportation average just exploding to the upside, telling us that 3 months from now, there's a lot of activity taking place that's going to be moved around? That means production. That means the markets go back up. That's the transportation average trying to point that out to us, but it doesn't lead every day. It's out leading now. We'll catch up to it at some point. Do not fall in love with the downside of U.S. indices. A little peck on the cheek when you're short and get rid of it. Be nimble, and eventually when we hit equilibrium from this adjustment, we are going right back up. Number 3 on the board, the Omni trading token is just killing it. Traders, there is a reason for this. We did it, OmniX around the world. We did it. Do you know what we did? We have a market cornered. It's ours. We own it. OmniX around the world have bought all the Omni trading tokens, and you know what they're smart enough to do? They're not selling, baby. That means every time buyers come in, it's got to go up higher and higher. OmniX, please, I'm leading this whole thing. You know I've been buying tons of my own token, helping you. If you stand pat, don't sell anything. If we keep buying now, there's nowhere else this can go. Cryptos are crashing, right? Our token has been going up the entire time crypto is crashing. Why? We are 1,000% subscribed. There's no one left that can do anything with these tokens. I am the biggest token holder. If you are holding a lot of my tokens, sit tight, kids. This is going to go through the roof. Imagine the day Solana turns around. How a coin will go through the roof. Sit tight, OmniX. Don't sell. I'll keep buying. You keep buying. We've got a market cornered. How sick is that? Who would have ever thought that could have happened? Do you know why? You can't short the Omni token. Any holders that sell, that's them getting out, we jump in and buy their tokens from them, and more of us OmniX stay in control. Congratulations, OmniX, you did it. You did it. Don't sell now. Follow my lead. I promise at a certain level, I'll tell the OmniX to start taking profits in the Omni trading token. Don't go near it yet. Just sit tight. Best announcement that's going to come since the Omni token is this. The Amsterdam camp, Omni camp in Amsterdam is booked. That's it, kids. You got to come out. It is booked. I will be there. March 27th through March 30th is the Omni camp. It is really a Thursday. You got to come in. So you come in the day before on a Thursday, and you get to leave a day after on a Tuesday. But camp sessions are March 27th through the 30th. In Amsterdam, I'm coming to you. Now, we did a survey, and we sent out emails all over the world, and 90% of what came back was, Oscar, please do it in Amsterdam. So I booked it, and I'm ready to go. I've got the Omni Camp already booked. You need to go to Omni Boot Camp right now. Even easier than that. Right below this video is a link to Omni Boot Camp in Amsterdam. Click that, fill it out. The seats are very limited. I only host like 5 people at a time. You need to call. You need to go to Omni Boot Camp. Better than that, as I mentioned, right below this video, click that link, fill out your applications. It's coming soon, kids. I will see you all in Amsterdam. Omni Camp in Amsterdam. I'm so excited. What else is on this board? So, the tug of war looks like it's finally starting to give it up today, and it all will go down because the adjustment has to take place. Do not fall in love with the downside. I promise we're just having a moment. You'll see we're not going to spend the whole year on the downside. That's not what it looks like at this point. You know that we are pure analysts. If the markets change complexion and we reach a point that I need to tell you, wow, we've gone bear, full bear, I will do that. But you're not hearing those words from me now. Don't get nervous. So, the markets are confused. Does anyone know why the markets are so damn confused right now? Why do we have 2 of them racing towards the sky and the other 2 racing towards the bottom when the Dow basically, even the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, and Trinity, they're all one big complex. They should all be going in the same direction. Why do we have such confusion? I'll explain it to you right now. This guy right here, Kevin Warsh. He is the next Fed, well, they say, if he gets approved, he will be the next chairman of the Fed. This guy, I understand why the markets are confused. I'm going to read you the newspaper. In this paper, it's this weekend's paper, you can see it for yourselves. I decided I'm going to start researching this guy, so I looked up everything I could find about him, and I realized he was in the weekend's papers. And here's what I read, and I promise this is the confusion. This is verbatim right out of the newspaper. I just wrote it so I can read it so that I don't have to wear my binoculars. So, check this out. In the papers, it's got a whole story, and it says this. Kevin Warsh. Warsh gained a reputation for being an inflation hawk during his time at the Fed. After leaving the Fed as well. Why? Because he spent years warning that easy monetary policy like lowering rates would fuel higher prices, and you can't do it. In the same article, it says, more recently, he has said the Fed should be cutting rates faster. The same guy. That's why we've got confusion. How could the same guy have both opinions? Now, if the market is doing this, and there's confusion. You know what the confusion is? Everybody else knows his past record. He's supposed to be an inflation hawk, means he won't lower rates. Now he's saying, let's lower rates as quick as we can. I think he's just saying what he needs to say to get the job. That's the confusion. Nobody knows what the hell he's going to do when he gets in. One hand, he says, I'm a hawk. The other hand, he says, to get this job, you got to lower rates. I don't know about that. That's going to create confusion. So, let's see where that goes, but that's why we're getting so much of this confusion. And of course, Powell turned off the spigots, stopped lowering rates, and an adjustment had to take place. So now I'm going to show you some charts. I hope that you will see in these charts what I'm seeing. But remember, I'll say it again, no matter what, do not fall in love with the downside. Give it a kiss. Date it as much as you want. Do not take it home. Do not let it move in. It will be short-lived. All right, traders, we're going to go look at some great charts right now. Before we get there, I want to remind you about our mantra. You haven't heard me say this in front of this camera in a month, right? Say this to yourselves, especially now while these markets are going crazy. Are you with me? Keep your emotions at bay. You know how, traders. 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir! In! Emotions are traders, now let's go look at some charts. Traders, your NASDAQ daily bar. Spigots got turned off right here, and we sent out a message stating adjustment time is necessary. Immediately the market adjusted, then had a one-day run up. And on that day it ran up. I said, I did a video and said, this doesn't make any sense. Adjustments last a lot longer. It's the fastest adjustment I've ever seen. Well, I was, that notion was correct, because here's what happened. Since then, I was going to do this video for you last night. The charts looked like this last night. It got postponed to today, so I'm going to give you last night's chart. And where we are now, it went even further. That is what I'm talking about, traders. We are in an adjustment. Now it makes sense. It didn't make sense at all the day we ran back up. This is what was expected. You know that. I told you that on the day it started. Check this one out. E-mini S&P. Same thing. On the day it hit all-time new highs, I came out with pause. Powell turned off the music. An adjustment is warranted. And we started going down right from there. Up till yesterday, we got to here. And now we are there. These pages are falling apart on me, David. What's going on here? Now we are there. Look at this. All the way down to here. An adjustment is absolutely happening. Remember all the times that OTAPMA saved us? Well, look where we are now. We are below OTAPMA, kids. This is an adjustment. Don't get nervous. Now, flat top in Dow Jones is where all of this started. You guys remember that? Well, we've never gotten past that flat top. Yesterday we touched it. Today we are down here. Smack down. Finally, the Dow and the tranny are both starting to catch up. Transportation average has done this the entire time that the markets have gone down. That's fantastic. That tells you that in the near future, a few months out from now, markets are going up, because look at all the activity and raw materials and shipping that's being called for now. They're going to build that stuff. They're going to send it out. These are purchase orders. That's how you can tell when the tranny goes up like that. There are future purchase orders taking place now to be delivered in the future. That's why the tranny's pointing that we will be going up. Don't fall in love with the downside. A close-up of that transportation average. What you have today is a little teeny red bar right about there. This is as of last night. Nothing compared to the others. This is telling us that no matter what happens in this adjustment, we go back up when the adjustment is over. Now, traders, I told you about Tesla, right? If it gets underneath OTAPMA, I gave you a gift. You can start selling the rallies into OTAPMA. We're here. It is down here as I speak to you right now. Tesla got nailed just as we expected. OTAPMA kept it in check every single time, right? Once you get under it and you test a few times, you got to start calling downside. That was a perfect call for you, Omniacs. I love Tesla. I love Elon Musk. I love the products he creates. I don't love that chart. And hey, I'm an analyst, right? What's on the board next? Traders, a close-up. That's Tesla. Here's where we are right now. That's real. That's happening. In fact, we're even lower. We're here right now. That's not even including today's bar. Today's bar is even lower. And then we go here. Traders, crypto, Bitcoin, Solana, everything has been doing this. Look at this arrow. It's straight down, right? Solana's getting killed. Now watch this. This Omni token is built in Solana. Solana's been going like this. The Omni token's been going like this the entire time. It is here right now making all-time new highs. We did it, Omniacs. We got our own token cornered. All you have to do is follow my lead. Don't sell. I promise you, there is no selling. If someone sells, it's because they already have some. If they sell, come right in and buy them. This thing is going higher. I've got Omniacs all around the world that haven't even gotten in yet, that are calling me to tell me, Oscar, I'm getting in, I'm getting set up. I've got YouTube influencers that we're hiring. We've hired 4 of them already. I've got another one I'm negotiating with, and this one's big. We're going to do video and radio interviews together about this coin, awareness everywhere. OMNIX, buy your Omni trading token. It is the best deal in town. It's the thing going up right now. You can buy it right on Coinbase Wallet. You do not need a Phantom wallet. You do not need Solana. Go right to Coinbase Wallet. Right below this video is the token address. Search for that address and go buy your Omni tokens. We are taking this to the moon. Congratulations, OMNIX. We did it. It's in the hands of OMNIX only. It's safe now, and us OMNIX are not selling. We all know what to do. Sit tight, and thank God that this was allowed for us to happen, OMNIX. We're helping each other, and we're helping OMNIX all over the world. Great job, OMNIX. Keep doing what you're doing. I am there to support you. All right, so that's about it, David. Thank you for showing up for this video, and I'm going to now say I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.